wearing today is a 13x4 lace front wig with bangs. So it's a bob, it's 8 inches, it has bangs, 150% density from Beauty Forever hair. So this style is perfect for an everyday on the go type of look. If you're just looking for something that you don't want to spend a lot of time on, you literally just want to smack it and just get out the house, this is the perfect style. And one of my favorite, honestly, if it's not the one with the bangs, it'll be the regular bob, because I just love how quick it is to just pop them on and slay and just go on by your day. So this is the packaging, Beauty Forever. And also this hair is human hair, but they have plenty of other textures and like type of hairs that you could get, but this specific bob is human hair. You will get your package, you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also find this little pouch inside your box. I guess you keep like your hair utensils in here, like combs, bobby pins, clips, whatever you need. You will also find a wig cap and lashes. That's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. So we about to go ahead and see what this wig is looking like. By the way, I did like a new eyeshadow color today. I tried to do like a yellow. I feel like I should have done different lashes so you could really see the shadow, because I did pretty good with it, but you can't really see like the shimmer and the glitter that's on the middle because of the lashes. So next time I'm gonna put other lashes, but it'll go for now. I really love getting 8-inch in bobs now. Before I used to get 10-inch all the time, but I really love 8-inch because I feel like the shorter the better. And 8-inch is like not too short. It's like the perfect length for a bob. At least what this is what the wig looks like. Like I said, this is human hair, 150% density. She's 8-inch. Look how perfect these ends look. Look at that curve, perfectly done. The ends are perfectly even. The hair is super soft. This is what it looks like. Like I said, she comes with bangs. So I love the fact that they didn't cut too much bangs in the front and it's not too thick, because that looks so unrealistic when it's too thick. So also with this wig, it's a 13x4 lace front wig. So you could also pull the bangs back and you have a regular frontal. In case you in one of those days you're tired of wearing bangs, you could always just like, you know, slick it back or like pin it back and you have a regular frontal. And this wig is also very affordable. I believe that it's not even more than $100. It's probably like $74 or $80 max. Super affordable. Let me show you guys what the inside looks like. This is the inside of it, so you guys can see. And it also comes with combs, 1, 2, 3, and adjustable straps right here. You could always get some extra straps and sew it on the inside for extra security if you want to. I really love how neat the wig is looking straight out the bag. It's looking really neat. The ends are not like, you know, cricket and all over the place, which is good. It's gonna give me less work when I do apply it and decide to like clean it up. So I also love how natural the part and the lace is looking, really pretty. So I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off, try her on, so we can move on to the next step. This is what the wig looks like on. And as you guys can see, she's looking good. Okay, I literally just smacked her on. She already looks nice. I really love the fact that they already look neat straight out the bag. Like I barely have to do any cleaning to it. As you guys can see, it's pretty short and I love it that way. Honestly, when I get bobs, I always get an 8-inch because I feel like 8-inch is just like perfect. It has the perfect bob look. Like if you really want a bob, 8-inch is like it's like the perfect. Like I said before, I really love the fact that the bangs are not too thick. I really like when I do wear bangs, I really like them to have like little gaps in between them, because I feel like it looks more natural when it's like just some slight gaps in the middle or somewhere around that. It looks and just feels better. She looks bomb. Okay, like I said, this is 150 density, which I feel like is perfect for bobs. I never like my bobs to be too thick because it's just not natural looking, you know. I want people to second look like, is that her hair? Isn't that her hair? Is it real? Is it a wig? That's the whole goal. You want to fool people, you know, catfish them and have them thinking it's your hair when it's really not. So I really love when I go thin with the bobs, thin and really short. So this looks really good. I honestly don't even think I have to like cut or adjust the bangs. Is the perfect length for me. If you're not like a professional at cutting hair and the bangs are too long for you, all you gotta do is just pull it back. all you gotta do is put it back a little bit. It's not gonna look crazy, it's not gonna look different. If you want them longer, all you gotta do is pull them forward, just like that. There's no need to, like, you know, ruin the wig or like cut it or do extra stuff. Just play around with it. So also what I really love about wigs, especially with bangs, is that you don't have to install it, you don't have to glue it, you don't have to gel it, you don't have to do anything to it but put it on. Like, nobody's gonna be worried about what my frontal is looking like. It's not getting glued down. I can literally just smack it on and don't have to secure it and just go ahead and just mind my business. Y'all know I love me an easy, lazy process, and this is literally perfect for me. So let me go ahead and finish up this look. I will see you guys once I'm done.
Give me that. You know how to pull me back when I go running, trying to get away from nothing. Yeah, you know how to love me hard. I won't lie, I'm falling hard. Yep, I'm falling for you, but there's nothing wrong with that. You don't want you the one that I think about always. You are the one, so I make sure I behave. My love is your love is my love. You the one that I dream about always. You the one that I think about always. You are the one, so I make sure I behave. My love is your love is mine. Baby, come, take me now, hold me now, make me come alive. You got the sweetest touch, I'm so happy you came in my life. You know how to pull me back when I go running, trying to get away from nothing. You know how to love me hard. I won't lie, I'm falling hard. Yep, I'm falling for you, but there's nothing wrong with that. You the one that I think about always. You are the one, so I make sure I behave. My love is your love is my love. You the one that I dream about always. You are the one that I think about always. You are the one, so I make sure I behave. My love is your love is mine. And yes, I'm kinda crazy, that's what happens, baby. When you put it down, you shouldn't give it to me good like that. Shouldn't hit it like that, had me yelling like that. Didn't know you would've had me coming back. You the one that I'm feeling, you the one that I'm loving. Ain't no other niggas like you. That's just one. No, baby, just one. I bet you wanna know. You the one that I think about always. You are the one that I make sure I behave. My love is your love is mine. And yes, I'm kinda crazy, that's what happens, baby. When you put it down, you shouldn't give it to me good like that. Shouldn't hit it like that, had me yelling like that. Didn't know you would've had me coming back. You the one that I'm feeling, you the one that I'm loving. Ain't no other niggas like you.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was very quick and easy. Like I said, it took nothing but a couple minutes to apply this wig, style it, slay it. It was very simple, easy. And like I said in the video, if you guys like your bangs to be longer, all you have to do is pull it to the front like I have it. Or if you want it to be shorter, instead of cutting it, you could just pull it to the back so it could be like, you know, mid-length. But I usually like it mid-length, but today I want it to be like, you know, really long. So this is what we're serving today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you check out Beauty Forever. I will have the link to this wig down below, and also to their store. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching.